Our team at Oliver Manufacturing would like to thank you for taking the time to watch our demo video. We hope through watching this video you'll get a better understanding of what Oliver Manufacturing has to provide in terms of equipment and Oliver's various processing solutions. For 90 years, we provided top-of-the-line processing equipment to meet your needs. From our fluidized bed dryer to our precision sizer, we've pushed the lines of innovation. In order to meet your ever-changing needs, we've branched out to partner with Norgard, Westra, and other companies to provide a more complete solution. Come on, let's have a look. Let's take a look at our MAXI-CAP gravity table. The MAXI-CAP was developed in 1985. It is the largest gravity table available on the market. We talked earlier about pushing the lines of innovation. Let's talk to you about what we've done on this machine and our Platinum Series MAXI-CAP going next. Come on down. This is our MAXI-CAP Platinum Series. It's offered with a complete electronics control package that allows both experienced and inexperienced operators to achieve the highest quality separation. Here we have the Voyager series. The Platinum series we just looked at, along with the Voyager series, has the same functionality and controls. It has the ability to separate materials of all types, and improvements made bring us one step closer to full automation. Both series, you'll end up with less good seed in your waste because of the precise, repeatable, and predictable settings that the machines have to offer. With a touch of a button, you can load a recipe and get to your last known good settings, saving time and money.
As an example of our continued improvement, our high-cap gravity machines can be equipped with a worm screw jack. With just the twist of a handle, you can adjust your end race incrementally and improve your flowability from your feed and your capacity. The MAXI-CAP family can be upgraded with a modular deck system or a platinum retrofit. This allows you to run multiple products at its best. You can keep your old machine and still leverage new technology and upgrades. The DVX dryers, the fluid bed dryers, and the Discovery dryers improve the conditioning system after treating. This allows for more fixation of your treatment on your seed, less chemical fixation on your material handling, less bridging, which allows you to keep more money on your seed. Even the airflow next to your currently treated seed is being pulled away from the work environment, keeping you and your staff safe. Moving on to our SIZERIGHT equipment. Since acquiring the SIZERIGHT brand, we have come to realize the importance of grading and sizing within the conditioning process as a whole. Our punch process has improved to produce the highest quality cylinders in the industry with the tightest tolerances. Customizable cylinders allow you to separate your seed based on size and shape. In addition to safety and ease of use, Oliver is set apart as the best in class for the industry in separation technology. Purchasing an Oliver solution doesn't end with delivery. You are now part of the Oliver family. Let our team help your team. We offer on-site and remote help, including preventative maintenance and machine support, to ensure your team can produce great results for years to come. In our 90 years, we still believe that each facility is unique to you and your company, which is why finding the perfect solution for you and your products is important to us. Together with our partners, let us find the whole processing solution that is the right fit for you.